G'day traders, this is Jason here from Trading Divergence 101. Alright, let's look at the charts. Let's find that divergence, because there's divergence nearly every day. Okay. Do we have divergence right in here? No, we don't. And I'll show you why. So we're headed down to a low, a retracement, and lower lows. But over here, if we take it from the same place right here, see, down to there, it's not divergent because it needs to go up, not down. Only on the chart it needs to go down. So there's no buying in here unless you're the kind of person that would trade a moving average crossover, cross up or cross down. In this instance, it was a cross up. And this is the 5, EMA, shift 0, exponential, close. Okay, I'm going to show this again. The 7, EMA, is shift 1, exponential on the close. Number lucky 7. Okay? There, for those who are wondering, what are those moving averages? They're pretty good. Look how they give long, good trades. Yeah. Oh, I just told you what they were. Took me many years to come up with that combination. Anyway, because it works, baby. It works. So anyway, there was no divergence, okay? However, once we get a dip, a pullback in the trend is up, okay? When the 5 is above the 7 and you got lots of space in between the two moving averages all the way up, you don't want to sell it. You see the red candle, you don't go, oh, I'm too scared to buy it. I know it's gonna go down. If I buy it, it's gonna go down and I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose, man. I can't buy it. I can only sell. And people see these red candles right here and they sell it. And what happens? It goes up. And then another few traders, they see this this red lower closing candle. Oh, it's going to go down now. I know it. I can feel it. It's going to go all the way back down here. I know it. And it goes up. And they lose again. And then again, they think, oh, look at this pin bar with the red. Oh, it's going to go down now. I know it for sure it's going to go down. And they sell it, and it goes up. And then up here they go, oh, it's overbought. They got to sell it. They got to take it back down now. And then they go, look at that big red candle right there. Oh, look at that. I'm going to sell now. And what happens? It goes up even further. You can't trade against the trend, ladies and gentlemen. You got to trade with it. The only way to trade with it in an uptrend is to buy a dip. The only way to trade with it in a downtrend is to sell it at a higher, better price. That's it. There's no other ifs, ands, or about it. You know what I mean? Anyway, NASDAQ, we got no divergence. But what if we go in the 15-minute? Do we have something there? It's level with that. No, we don't. If this dip was just a little bit lower to here, it would be divergence to buy it. There's no divergence on the 15-minute. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones. Oh, look at the Dow Jones, baby. Look at how beautiful that is. What do you see there? I see a double bottom. Oh, yeah. Right there like that. And right there like that. Doo-dah, doo-dah. There's the entry. The Dow Jones, ladies and gentlemen. 140 points to the top. Let's now take a look at, hold on. No, that is not divergent there. Okay. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. See, this here too. You see, it came down. It didn't quite come down to make the, the double bottom, right? Well, unless you draw it like this. You take it from here and you just never mind this spike down. Take it like that. See? There you go. It almost hit it. Close enough. Good enough. And yeah, that's a double bottom divergence to buy it. And yeah, you put the right after it made this indication, clear indication, hey, hello, I think we're going up, because it's a big engulfing candle that engulfed all these candles. Okay, so you'll get in here. How many, man? Okay, our stop would have been 13 points, and now it's gone up 22 points. Yeah, it's going to give you your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay, let's move on now to oil. Oh, oil's good looking, not too good. Not too good, ladies and gentlemen. We got low and lower lows. See that? Wicksters. We got some wicksters. And right there, you see that? Look at how beautiful that is. Man, that's beautiful. Just like a beautiful lady. And there we go. Boom, boom. And this is the entry right here. And our stop is like around 40 points. Well, it went up 33 so far. And then it crashed back down. Yeah, oil's kind of crappy today. Yeah. There's another trade here, I guess you could say. If you really want to look for it. Right there, like that. Nope. See, sometimes I get confused, man. I think I see divergence and I don't. And I've been staring at these charts for, holy shit, looking at divergence since 2011, man. 12 years. And still sometimes I get tricked into seeing something that's not there. And once again, I'll gladly say this, that if you want to trade divergence, you really got to put in a lot of screen time, a lot of screen staring to see it over and over again and find it and look for it. Most people don't want that. You know what most people want? They want this. They want this arrow here. See the arrow? Oh, when that arrow pops up, oh, okay, it's time to buy now. Good luck with that. All those arrow indicators that are being sold all over the world on the internet or wherever, they don't work. They're bullshit. I guarantee you they're bullshit. I've seen enough of them, I know. Most of them are just, what do they call that? Those triangles on top of the bars, the last high and low. Fractals. Most of those arrows are based on fractals. Fuck the fractals. Okay, let's move on now. Pound yen. Oh, the pound yen, the pound yen. We've got some hidden divergence right here. I think we do. And right there. To right there. Yeah, right there. And right there. And we'll put on our little doodah. You would have gone in right there. So you would have bought long right there at resistance, because it's a continuation, hard to see, hidden divergence trade. But anyway, our stop would have been 20, the pound yen, 22 pips. Went up 31, went up 40, right to the top. All right, so that's the divergence on the pound yen. It's one hidden divergence trade. Actually, there's another one right here also. I got to draw it in. Low and lower lows. Right here, like that. And you would have entered right there. Right there. Okay, so you would have got long and it went up 26 points. And your stop would have been 20. So you would have got your 1-to-1 for sure. Let's take a look at the euro yen now. It's a very choppy, crazy day today. It just does not want to break R1. Oh, why don't I have that on the other charts? Oh, I have that. On the oil, did I have it? Yeah. I had it here. But I'm missing the other one. Ah, this one I don't have it. Okay, anyway. Euro yen, back to the euro yen. There's divergence, but it ain't pretty. It ain't pretty. Right there. Hard to see divergence is what I call it. But other people who know about divergence, they call it hidden divergence. Why do they call it hidden? Because it's hidden on the chart and you can't find it. Very hard to find. That's why I call it hard to see divergence. Because it's hard to see it. I think my names are better than hidden divergence. I like the hard to see. It's better. It's better. I coined it. Yeah, in 2011. I coined the name of my divergence setups. And not only do I have the actual setup, but I also have classifications of a grade A setup and or a grade B setup that involves the OSMA. Okay, so anyway, that was your long right there. There's also a double bottom right here. It's for the same, well, no, it's different, I guess. This is the double bottom right there. No, it doesn't come there perfectly, and it doesn't have to. And right here, like this, low and lower low on the indicator, you would have bought right there. Let's get that doodah. Would have bought right there. And it only went up like 13 points because Euro yen is fooling around today. They're finger fooling around. All right, let's look at gold. Gold just did a big trend down again. Just want to show you on the 4 hour. It it had a big head and shoulders on it. That's what it had. Here's the head. Here's the left shoulder. Here's the right shoulder. And then they broke through and sold it right off. They started the big sell-off from up here. I actually was short this day. I shorted it here and I got out somewhere right here. If I only would have held on. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. But didn't. Look how many more pips I would be making. Oh my God, I'm going to cry. I got out there. Look at that. Another 350 pips, man, I missed out on. Ah, why didn't I? Ah, why? Why didn't I hold on? Because I'm not a swing trader. That's why. Okay. Let's take a look up here now. There's a trade right here, actually, ladies and gentlemen. Right here to here. And right there to wherever over here it goes. And we put on our little doodah right there. So you would have sold it right there at the bottom at support because it's a continuation, hard to see, hidden divergence setup. So your stop would be at the most recent swing highs, like 38 ticks, 38 points, and guess what? It went down 57 points. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Cool. Very cool. Okay, and there was divergence up here too, okay? Right here, high, and a higher high, high, lower high. You would have sold it here, and down it goes. Okay, let's look at the pound now, our last gem of the day. So we got divergence right here, basically a double top. It's from there to there. It's like it takes some time to find it, you know. You would have sold it right there. This is pound dollar. You would have sold it there, and yeah, it went down like a whole 24 pips because the pound barely moves these days. And there's probably another setup right here if you really look for it. Yeah, right there. Yeah, I can see it. If you draw it from here to here, and from here to here, okay? You would have sold it right in here. Your stop would have been at the most recent swing high, 13 or an add 5, so maybe about 16 pips, and it went down 27 pips. You would have got your 1-to-1. Yes, indeed. So anyway, if you're interested in trading divergence and learning more, please check out the description in the comments section below the video. Once again, I want to say my name's Jason Sweezy. I'm a divergence trader. I love divergence. I believe it works, and I show you every day that it works. With no fuss, no muss, no kidding around. I show you. I just showed you on, what, 7 different instruments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them I just showed you. So anyway, once again, my name's Jason Sweezy. Good luck and good trading.